Welcome back to Ubalde Official. Today I'm going to show you how to edit PDF on your laptop or your mobile phone, or even also by using tablet. So let's start. You see, this is a PDF file. Yes, you cannot edit. This is a PDF file. The best option in 2026 and above years, you navigate on your file, your PDF file as this, then right click. After right click on open with, then after open with, click on choose another app, and then you will get the list of apps you have that can open. Then choose Microsoft Word. Yes, after click on Microsoft Word, you just click just once, then wait until the Microsoft open. Here you get the Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. This may take a while. The resulting Word document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text, so it might not look exactly like the original PDF, especially if the original file contains lots of graphics. Means that if you have the images in your PDF file, maybe lost some characters, then click OK. After click OK, you see now you should edit your PDF. Yes, you should now edit your PDF file. Then save and do what. So on person who are using a mobile phone, also I have the tips. So open your Google Chrome. Yes, your Google Chrome, and then in your Google Chrome or browser, type PDF to Word. I love PDF. Navigate on this link, and then you come on select image from your phone, then come on there where the file is kept, and then open, wait to be uploaded, and then click on convert to Word. Then after click on download. After click on download, save your file, open it, or we come here and open it. You see that now you can edit it on your file, on your phone, on your tablet, on your computer. You can do it for free, no payment, and it is safe and it is legal. So this video is for educational purpose only. Please, if this video helped you, like, subscribe, and turn on notification bell, and then share with your friends, students, lecturers, teachers, and your family members to get their knowledge on the digital content creation skills. Bye bye. God bless you.